Hello, my name is Scott Soretta, Director of Education for the COPD Foundation. This is lesson number 8 in the MSU screening protocol. Lesson number 8 is advanced discussion about the EasyOne spirometer designed specifically for the lead RT. However, all RTs would benefit from watching this tutorial as well. So we do ask that the lead RT, when they get their MSU protocol materials, please print out this specific page that talks about the NDD EasyOne instructions. Bring this with you as a guide, somewhat as a manual that you'll have available so that you can read some of the prompts that you will see that the EasyOne spirometer tells you after somebody blasts into the machine. The one that we're really looking for that says we can continue the test is good effort, do next. However, you'll see some of these other prompts and corrective actions on what to do. If you see these prompts come up, it warrants the RT coach to recognize the problem and try to get the participant to overcome that problem and do a better test. So the common ones are take a deeper breath in. Remember, if you don't get all the air in your lungs, you can't get it all out. So if they're taking different levels of breath in, they're going to blow different levels out through the machine. You'll also see here blow out longer or not fast enough or blow out harder. So these are acceptability and repeatability problems. Please take this along with you so you can help troubleshoot and help the other RTs do a better job of coaching and getting good results from the participants. The other thing I want to show you is some advanced maneuvers that you'll see on the machine itself. If you're ever stuck in a screen or you know you don't get a good test out of the participant and you want to end the session, you simply press and hold the escape button. It will get you out and take you to the main screen. You don't need to disregard the results or anything. In fact, leave it in so we can count it as a maneuver, although we didn't have a good test for them to take with them. So if you need to go back and view a result, this is why we ask you put names in there. Not because we're collecting data, but allows you to retrieve data if you need to look at a result or add another blast in there. So you're going to go to view results. You're going to press enter. And then the best search criteria is do the last test. Press enter. And then from the last, it's going to have my name, Scott. But if it was somebody that tested 2 or 3 blows ago, you can go backwards and scroll through the screen to look at that person. So let's say it was Antoine. We'll press enter now, and then it will bring up his results. You can also scroll through the screens, so this saves it, and if it timed out and you need to write it down, you can go back in this fashion. You can also scroll through the screens where you can see lung age. I want to point out that lung age will only show up on the spirometers if you select that they're a yes current smoker. If you select former smoker or no smoker, you do not get a lung age. Lung age is one of those things you're encouraged to talk to people about, but remember, anybody who's a current smoker, regardless of their spirometry results, we should always encourage them the best thing they can do for their health is to quit smoking tobacco. They may have a normal result today, but it doesn't mean they'll be normal in the future if they continue to smoke. That's the message we want to pass. And then you can also look at the waveform, best values, other values located here. And you can also go back and look at the session quality. This was the session quality, a C. It's acceptable, but we want to achieve A's and B's. Remember to encourage your RT coaches. Don't stop at 3 if you have a C. You want to continue doing more blasts until you get that A or B quality. That will assure better, more consistent results that have a higher quality, and we can report those with higher confidence. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys joining and raising awareness for the number 3 killer in America, COPD.